Welcome back to all our wonderful subscribers. In this video we're releasing another app to add to our imaging app selection, which is available when you click on imaging. And these are all our imaging apps, which includes regular imaging generators, coloring book creators, children book creator, etc. All of these apps. Today we're releasing the PNG generator. Now the amazing thing about this app, it will create any type of image that you could possibly think of, just this time without any background. And so the amazing thing about this can be used for any type of image, and you can simply search for what you're looking for in this box. For example, let's say we're looking for a smartphone, and then you click generate. What you'll see is that it starts creating your image for you, your PNG image, which means that there won't be a background on the image right from the get-go. Now I did want to show you that you could in fact use our old system, which is to click on this and select a type of image, which means you can create a coloring book page without a background, and any of these types of images, like a logo without a background, or a onesie or a t-shirt, art without a background, and any type of image without a background. This is going to be fantastic for anyone in any industry who needs any type of image without a background. That way, when you put that image onto another image, it will not cover it with the background. So as you can see in this image, which is right now being generated, you can see there is a background of a table, but in a few seconds this image is going to be completely ready, and I'm going to open it up and show you what you could do with it. So here's the smartphone that's being generated as we speak. Okay, so now the image is completely ready and it's in PNG format, so I could just download that now to see what you're going to get. So I'm just downloading it, just one moment. Okay, let's go into the file. So here it is. It's called smartphone.png. I'm going to open it up with Photoshop just to show you how the file looks exactly within Photoshop, and the quality and the size of the file as well. Soon we're going to do another test on this app. We're going to try doing a coloring page and just logos and different things, and just we'll see how this works and how much it can actually help you. So just bear with me here. Okay, so here we are inside Photoshop. So if I zoom in here, you can see now I can just put a background, and you can see there is no background behind that. It means I can change the color of this background to, let's say, blue, and I can just do whatever I want with that. Perfect. Okay, let's try doing a coloring page. Now I've actually done one already, so you can actually see one that I've done. So this lion was created using this coloring book page generator, as you can see. And let's create another one. A cute dog coloring. You know what, just cute dog, because I've already chosen the app, so I don't have to write exactly what I want. So now we're creating the PNG. Let's wait for that to happen. While we're waiting, for those of you who don't know, generate.net is a site that has a bunch of apps. We're talking about text apps, imaging apps, and all the different types of apps. So here we are. This is a coloring book of a cute dog. It looks more like a cat to me, but it's a PNG file. It's being created right as we speak, so give it a second. Once this icon disappears, you know that your file is ready. And that's it. The PNG is completely ready. Now it does look like a cat to me, so let's try again, cute dog, and see if this works out better. So here I am creating a dog, and in a few seconds it's going to be a dog with a clear background, which I can then put on any type of background that I wish to without having a background. Let's see if this works out. Let's give it a few more seconds. After that, we'll move on to logos and other kinds of images. Okay, and the resulting image is a fantastic, cute dog, which is perfect for anyone. Okay, now let's go on to, let's just start with a cartoon image. For example, magic wand. And I just want a magic wand PNG file. So I click magic wand and let's see what comes up. You know what? While we're waiting, let's create another file because it does take about half a minute. So let's create a logo of a magic wand as well. How about that? So we can just do two at the same time. So right now we're doing two things. One of them was a cartoon image of a magic wand, and one of them was a... And here we are. This one's ready. And let's look at the logo. That's still loading. The cartoon image is completely ready. So here we have a magic wand writing on a book, which might be okay. But if you wanted just a magic wand, you just have to click generate again and create a magic wand. Let's see if the logo is ready. There we go. So here's a logo of a magic wand. If I download that and open it, you'll be able to see that the background is isolated. I think you can already see that from this image, however. And let's just see the cartoon image of the magic wand. So again, the AI is deciding to... Oh, here we go. Fantastic. This is just a magic wand. Fantastic. Thank you for watching. This was Generate.net, your home for AI apps. To find this app, you can either click on select an app and then click on image and then select new PNG generator. Alternatively, you can go to Generate.net and go into our AI imaging tools over here, and then you will find it somewhere over here within all of our other imaging tools. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.